it's been a while at magpe-prepare tayo ng order natin. This one is from Miss Annie. She's from Makati. And same day delivery to, so kailangan natin ipadala ngayon. So papakita namin yung order niya sa'yo. Number 1 is this one, is Justice Guard Terminator M870, no? Next one is this one. This is Justice Guard, another rocker puzzle na DIY kit. Sunod niyan, may playing card siya na Index. This is the volume 2. Yan yun. And then, meron siyang Yosegi 27 steps puzzle box. Ito yung loob niya. Ito yung design niya. Napakaganda nito. Again, this is handmade from Japan. And nag-iisa na lang to, no? Last na to. Yan, ganda na to. And then, lagyan natin siya. Ito, bagong-bago lang to. In fact, hindi pa namin content. Supposedly, gagawin lang namin content. This is Karakuri Creations Group, FS Cube. No? So, hindi pa namin na-figure out kung paano to buksan, but she seems to like it. So, papadala na natin sa kanya. So, Miss Anne, thank you so much. Yung total bill niya pala, it's around 20-something, no? 20-something, no? Maraming second time na niya bumili ngayon. So, Miss Annie, thank you so much for ordering, and thank you so much for supporting us. Yun lang.